As far as local opportunities, Spokane is a booming healthcare field. Whether you would like to be involved with patient care or whether you would rather be involved in the technical research side.
The education in Spokane really cannot be matched anywhere. It's as good as anywhere that you can find.
While I have a good foundation of knowledge, I'm always learning. I'm Valerie. I'm a registered nurse, and I work at St. Luke's Rehab Institute.
I feel good today.
Good.
Yeah, probably
This is your medications list.
No.
I made you this the other day, Don.
I sure feel.
Healthcare just fascinates me. I think the body is amazing. The fact that we have a heart in us that can beat, 60 beats per minute for 100 years. I use the analogy that nurses and people in healthcare are kind of like mechanics, only we can't open up the hood and see what we're working with. We kind of have to listen to the heart and listen to the lungs. These little stethoscopes can tell us so much. What are you working on today?
Some balance exercises.
Nice job. I don't think I've actually seen you out of the wheelchair. You're getting strong. I always knew I wanted to do nursing, and I looked into Gonzaga because it was close enough to home that I could go home if I wanted to. But my professors are incredibly knowledgeable. It was a wonderful experience. I wouldn't change it for the world. One of the greatest parts about working here is that we get patients who come in who can't walk, they can't talk. Where are you headed, Don? We work as a team to give them back the ability to do those things on their own. All of these things that I like to do as a child, we bring them back and use them as therapy. So things that we don't normally think of as strength building for us could make a huge difference for the patients.
I think there's lots of opportunities within the local area. You can become a phlebotomist, a medical lab assistant. You can become an MLT. And we really feel that all the universities work closely with the hospitals in the area to develop local talent.
Do you mind if I take a listen to your heart and your lungs? How old are you? Isn't it your birthday, mister? Okay, good. If science interests you and you like the labs and you like the idea of healthcare, then there's probably something that you can find that fits your needs. I've had patients come in and say, my stay here was made better because I got to work with you. If you're doing something that you love, you're really not working.